Siguro dapat magkaroon national strategy for women entrepreneurship.
I think just by looking at the profile of entrepreneurs in general, you would see that many women have actually succeeded, not only in small scale, but even in large scale businesses.
Kasi what's happening is we have pockets of initiatives here, initiatives in this government, pero walang overall plan. There is a law which requires banking institutions to lend 10% of their portfolio to MSMEs, not specific to women. But nobody follows that. They just pay the fine. Okay? There's this small business, ano ba yun? MSME Act, which also requires government to buy 10% of their supply requirements from small businesses, which could include women, no? Hindi rin yun sinusunod. Hindi ini-enforce mo siya strictly. So marami na meron yung ease of doing business act, supposedly to address also the women. Pati ease of paying taxes. We have all of these MSME policies in place, of course, which we hope could be more strictly enforced, but walang gender lens is what we call it. Can you imagine? We don't even, until recently, we didn't have a common definition, or rather a national definition of what is a woman MSME. If we don't have a common definition of who we are trying to help, isn't that going to be difficult, di ba? Recently nga, we participated in this exercise where the Philippine government, agencies involved in promoting entrepreneurship, were tasked to assess themselves in terms of meron ba silang gender lens. And the result is not unexpected. Slight lang. Hindi nga direct eh. Yun ang point. Hindi direct. Parang, kung tatagalugin ko, hagip lang nga, pero hindi yung diretso. Hindi intention. I think if we keep on saying that MSMEs, which includes women, is the backbone of the economy, then we need to walk the talk. We need to actually take action, enforce the policies which exist, craft policies which will support women entrepreneurs, and make it less difficult and enable them to succeed, because they can contribute a lot if only they had the support that they require.